How UKI business model makes every customer an owner. I'm going to explain to you about UKI business model that we have developed to empower you to build wealth while you are purchasing your own needed products or services. Simply saying, at UKI, we accept your money simply and only as an investment. When you want to purchase, let's say, a laptop from ILIPUTER. ILIPUTER is our computer manufacturing company. So if you want, let's say, to buy a laptop from our company, from ILIPUTER, you are going to be an investor at ILIPUTER, and you are going to receive the product as a gift, because the money that you are going to pay is completely considered as an investment, and you are going to receive stocks of, let's say, from the company that you buy. This is our innovative business model that we have developed at UKI since 2020, and now we are announcing this and we are doing this great mission worldwide and officially. So if you love to become an owner of the company that you purchase the products from that company and you support that company, you have the privilege of becoming an owner of that company. And this can be done only via UKI, our mother company that is launching other brands. So we have at this moment computer brand and car brand. You can check them, you can find our channels after this video. They will be in the description of this video, and also you can find our channels on UKI channel at the bottom. So here the case is that you have the privilege now to make money, to build wealth while you are purchasing your own favorite products. For more information, please don't forget to check other videos, and also check our website, put your comments, let me know what do you think. Do you love to build wealth while you are purchasing your products? It is possible at UKI, and we are here to provide you with this marvelous service. Love you all, and don't forget to check the videos that may pop up here or here. Love you all, and bye bye till the next one.